Sarah and the Magic Tablet. Sarah was just 7 years old, with her bright eyes and a curious mind. She loved stories, drawing, and playing with her little brother, Zad. One day, Baba brought home a shiny new tablet. It was pink with glittery stars on the cover. Sarah's eyes sparkled. It's magical, she whispered. Baba smiled and said, use it wisely, dear Sarah. Too much screen can make your heart sleepy. Sarah nodded quickly. I will, Baba. At first, Sarah only used the tablet for half an hour after school. She watched cartoon, play game, and listened the Quran. But slowly something changed. Sarah began spending more time on the tablet. 1 hour turned into two. Then she stopped going outside. She didn't color anymore. She even forgot to feed her cat Snowy. One evening, Mama called, Sarah, come help me make cookies. I am busy, Sarah snapped, eyes still on the screen. Mama looked surprised. You love baking, Sarah didn't reply. That night, her little brother Zad came into her room holding his toy blocks. Will you play with me, Sarah? Sarah didn't even look up. Not now. Zad's face fell. He walked away slowly. That night, Sarah had a dream. In the dream, she was holding the tablet. It began to grow bigger and bigger until it was taller than her. It wrapped its glowing arm around her and said, now you belongs to me. Sarah screamed, no, I want to go back to my family, the tablet said, but you left them for me. Sarah cried, I miss Mama, Baba, Zad, Snowy. Ya Allah, help me. Suddenly, a soft light appeared. A kind voice said, remember, your time is a gift. Use it for good. Sarah woke up with tears in her eyes. She rushed to Mama and hugged her tightly. I am sorry, Mama. I want to spend more time with you. Mama smiled gently. Screen are fun, but real life is sweeter. Sarah nodded. She made a plan. Tablet time only 30 minutes a day. The rest, drawing, reading, helping Mama, and playing with Zad. Soon Sarah felt happy again. She laughed more, played more, and even learned Surah Al Fatiha by heart. One day she told Zad, you know, the tablet is not magical. Zad blinked. It's not? Sarah grinned. Time is the real magic, and I want to use mine wisely. Moral of the story, don't let screen control you. Use your time wisely. Time is a gift from Allah. Use it to learn, play, love, and grow. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.